Managing engagement on your social media is more important than ever, especially when it comes to maintaining a positive experience for your audience. On Facebook, comments can be a great way to foster conversation and community, but sometimes you may want to limit responses or prevent unwanted interactions. Whether you're an individual, influencer, or business, knowing how to turn off comments on your Facebook posts gives you greater control over your online presence. Famety is here to guide you through the process, ensuring that your social media stays exactly the way you want. Let's start with the basics. Currently, Facebook allows you to restrict comments on posts in somewhat different ways, depending on your account type and the context of your post. On personal profiles, options are more limited, but on pages and groups, you have more flexibility. Here's how you can take charge. First, if you're posting from a Facebook page, which is great for businesses, brands, or public figures, you can limit who is allowed to comment. After publishing your post, simply tap the three dots at the top right corner of the post. Click Who can comment on your post? Here, you'll see options like Public, Pages you follow, and Profiles and pages mentioned. By choosing a more restrictive setting, you can effectively shut down comments from most users, keeping the conversation limited to only those you want. If you're posting in a Facebook group, you have even more control. Group admins and moderators can turn off commenting entirely on any post within the group. After your post is live, tap the three dots and select Turn Off Commenting. Instantly, the comment section closes and no new comments can be added. This feature is perfect for announcements, sensitive topics, or when you simply want the message to stand alone. For personal profiles, the options are a bit different. While you can't turn off comments for every post, you can restrict who can comment by adjusting your privacy settings. When creating a post, tap the audience selector, usually labeled Friends or Public, and look for Friends Accept or Specific Friends. By fine-tuning your audience, you can minimize who has access to comment. Additionally, for public posts, you can go to your profile settings, find Public Posts, and adjust who can comment on your public posts, choosing between Public, Friends, or Friends of Friends. It's important to remember that managing comments isn't just about silencing negativity. It's about crafting a positive and engaging social media space. Sometimes, turning off comments is the best way to keep your audience focused on your message, prevent spam, or avoid unwanted controversy. And with Famety's expertise, you can take your social media management to the next level. We offer live support to help you navigate these settings with ease, ensuring that you're always in control. But what happens after you turn off comments? People can still engage with your content through likes, shares, and reactions. Famety offers a full suite of services to boost these metrics, helping your posts reach wider audiences even when comments are closed. Whether you want to increase likes for greater visibility or drive shares to expand your reach, Famety's solutions are designed to support every aspect of your social media strategy. If you ever change your mind, you can simply turn comments back on by returning to the post and reversing your previous selection. Flexibility is key, and Facebook's evolving tools let you adapt your approach as needed. In today's fast-paced digital world, the ability to control your social media interactions is essential. With Famety by your side, managing comments on Facebook is simple, effective, and tailored to your needs. Stay in command of your content, protect your community, and keep your social media experience positive. When you need support, guidance, or growth, Famety is always here to help.